Probably one of the greatest things I've ever done. So today is a huge day. The late start is Sunday. Today is like 7 p.m. So we'll kind of see, well, we'll definitely get base coat on them today. I don't know if I'll kind of want to dive into the whole clear coat portion today because of how in depth the base coat process is going to be. I'm doing a two-tone paint job, so it's going to be pretty gnarly. So first off, guys, I kind of want to lay out the garage as to how we're going to have it when we're painting. So obviously I have to move the old kooky. If you guys missed the whole priming the engine bay video of that, not many of you guys saw the video. Didn't get much views, but so feel free to check it out, guys. Alright, so got them all cleaned up, which took way longer just getting inside all these spokes, man. So I gave them all a feel. They all feel really, really good. So we're going to dry them up. I'm just going to hit them with a little quick towel just to kind of speed up the process a little bit. And then we're going to start masking them, and then I'll go ahead and kind of clean them up with some alcohol. There's a lot there's a lot of work to be done. A lot of masking to do, but it's going to come out super, super good. That's why I'm kind of thinking probably won't get to the clear coat tonight, but if we do, great, we'll get it done, but I don't want to stay here too long. I don't want to be editing till 5 a.m. again. So actually, now I think about it, these microfibers, I got to give a shout out. Wiley, if you're watching, bro, you already know my thanks to you, man. Huge shout out to you for all the stuff you gave to me. He hooked it up, got me a whole thing of microfiber towel, bought me these little ramps. He got me some non-schmedium gloves. I appreciate you, bro. He actually also bought me a set of ratchet wrenches. Thanks, man. He wouldn't let me buy them. Helps out a lot. Holy sh**. Alright, so about 3 hours has gone by, and you guys are probably like, alright, he's got to be done, he's got to be ready for paint, all ready to go, paint gun is locked and loaded. Oh no, oh no. What do you guys say we just kind of leave them in this finish, you know what I mean? Hey, you never know, maybe they could be already painted, we're just out here trying to keep them clean, you know what I'm saying? Guys, it is late already. Oh, by the way, got our boy Zach out here, wrenching. Trying to make his Honda work. Honda, yeah, they always ask about your car. It's actually always under a cover. This is the first time you guys have probably seen it in the flesh. I'm trying to convince him to toss a little snout right there. So, might have to, he says. So, you know what I mean? Be on the lookout for an S2K build. Yeah, we out here, just getting done, trying to at least. That took way too long for me to go ahead and do that again on 2 more. Like that definitely took me. How long have you been here, Zach?
I got here at 8.
Got here at 8. It is, what time? You have your phone on you? 11:30. All right. Okay. So I've been working before he was even here. So this took me 4 hours. 2 hours per wheel. How messed up is that? I did all that work just to rip it all back off once we get our first coat. Well, not first coat, but first color on the wheel. How messed? Oh, that bums me out a little bit. You gotta do what you gotta do. Like I said, we out here. We out here. Huge problem tonight. For some odd reason, if you guys would have seen last video, well, not I say last, the video when we painted the engine bay in the kooky, I was telling you guys the paint gun was giving me mad issues. Like it was seriously not acting right. So that's why there's like mad runs on the primer. But the awesome part is it's primer, sand it right down. Will be good. But however, I thought it was just because of the atomizing tip was messed up. I'll actually give you guys a little demonstration. 3M AccuSpray kit right here for all my painters out there. When you pull the trigger here, you're supposed to get a really large fan of material. In here I just have some water just to test because I knew this might be an issue. Like that is not, hardly anything is coming out. Like if you guys watched the video where we painted my brake calipers, when we did the clear coat, like you saw like how much material was coming out of the gun. And that's pathetic right there. I'm assuming that it's because these tips need to be replaced. So yeah, we're done for today. Like I don't know what else, I have nothing I can do. I can't go to the store right now. It is like 12:30. I am sorry there was no video So yesterday, for you guys, there was no video yesterday or Monday, whatever. Kind of sucks. I am more so bummed about that than not having a paint gun that's functioning properly. What's up? Alright guys, so this is literally days and days after we started this video. Now I finally got some of these guys. These guns right here, the 1.4s, where are they at? Bada boom. And those are these yellow the orange things. They're the atomizing heads, and we're good. We're back to spraying just like brand new, guys. So I'm super excited. However, change of plans. We are just spraying one, guys. I just want to make sure I'm fully confident that I like the color scheme I'm going with. I would hate to do all four, let alone two, and then have to be like, oh crap, I don't like this, and then have to sand them all back down. So I'll make the work a little bit easier if that all happens. So we're just gonna start off with one, guys, get it painted in our color scheme, see how we like it, and I guess we'll go from there. So guys, no need to waste any time. I went ahead and masked off everything. We are all good to go. As you can see, all the inner spokes are all good. Let's go ahead and start spraying. We just take a moment and appreciate how mean that front end looks. I do have to get, I think I'm gonna go with the JD. Actually, no, I'm not gonna let you, we're gonna go ahead eventually when the time comes, guys, because we'll obviously have to get it painted or something. I want to find a new front bumper, just something that looks a little bit more kind of menacing. These front ends, dude, they're so good. Alright guys, so I got everything here. I got our first color in our container ready to go. I just went ahead and hit everything with some alcohol, so we're good there. We're right next to our exhaust fan, which I'll flip on in a second. Now, if you guys are wondering what a tack rag is, it is like this little cloth that's a little like gluey. Basically just kind of picks up any dust or debris that you got. Stoked, man, this is gonna come out really good. Well, I guess that's what we're trying to find out today, right? See if these come out good, and if they do, we'll get going and do the rest. All right guys, I'm ready if you guys are. Got my mask, let's get to it. Pop the breaker somehow, god damn it! Alright, so we have got the first wheel. The inner base coat is done, kind of chilling by the fire. So we gotta wait for this to I was gonna say clean up. Wait for this to dry up before we have to. We will be masking off all this black part because we do not want any overspray on it. So it is gonna be a little time consuming. That's why I want to make sure that I'm like totally about this look before I go ahead and put all this time and all this effort into all four wheels. So if I need to make adjustments, like as far as kind of how I'm taping off the colors for the other wheels, we can go ahead and do so, and that way we only have to correct one. Tomorrow we will be back early so we can get a bunch of stuff done because import lines is coming up on us quick, guys. So, and then we also have the kooky that we're working on as well. So. All right, much time has passed. How did that get on? Much time has passed. So we got ourselves all masked up. Basically, as you can see, I just masked off the gaps on the spokes underneath, so we're all good there. Blow them off right quick, then tack rag. I say we get to painting and we can go home because it is already getting really late. So let's get this done. All right, you guys enjoyed. You enjoyed the head cam action, so we're gonna bring it back here again. Let's see if I can get the mask on with it. Oh dear. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. Let's do this, baby. Gotta do it for the gram, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, we need this on. Hopefully you guys like the color. Oh, hey now. Woo-hoo-hoo! Here we go, baby! unwrapping a present, bro. Man, they look real good. It's gonna come out good. Let me know what you guys think, man. Let me know what you guys think. Well, actually, we haven't even really taken a full look at them yet. Woo. Oh my God. This is incredible, dude. Do you see it? Woo. The only thing left to do is take all this off and we'll be back. Now, I'm gonna make a very bold claim right now. I'm gonna make a very bold statement. These wheels are probably one of the greatest things I've ever done. They look so good, guys. Now with them all unmasked, dude, like, take a look, man. Holy, what have I created? Oh my God, that looks incredible. And guys, remember, there is no clear coat on this yet. Once we get this clear on here, these things are gonna pop. Dude, the hype is so real. What? Can you guys imagine seeing these on my car right now? We have our new Federal RS double R's chilling over there in the corner, ready to go, man. But dude, this is incredible. This is actually incredible, man. We're definitely doing the rest in this scheme, man. It's gonna be a lot of work. Like, this took a lot of time and a lot of effort, but man, you guys can see that it was totally worth it. All right, guys, that is gonna be it. I'm kind of trying a little different layout here without holding the camera for the outro. A little bit strange. I know it's a little bit weird. It feels weird for me as well, but guys, I do appreciate you guys checking out today's video. Those wheels, man, they look so good. We're definitely rocking that theme for the whole car, man. Let me know what you guys feel on the whole color scheme. I've been keeping it a secret, however, some of you have probably known. I'm not, you know, we're not going orange wheels here, by the way. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you guys have not yet done so already, because there's a lot happening. Obviously, this is new. A lot of stuff going down with this. We have an RB25 chilling over there, which, yes, it is going down. Wheels, guys, once we get these wheels painted, it probably will take me a little bit of time. So again, guys, all great things take time. You guys have to remember, it's just me doing all this work here on my own, literally just prepping, you know, getting the tape on these wheels take a good amount of time. So be patient, guys, please. I appreciate your patience, and thank you guys for bearing with me. I'm out here every single day working, getting stuff done for you guys to enjoy as well. For real, guys, that's gonna be it for today. Make sure you guys follow all the social media stuff down below: Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. Shoot me a message. I love talking to you guys. It's super cool. Yeah, guys, a lot happening. We got the S13, we got the 300, we got the Kooky. More to come, guys. So much coming this spring. I can't spill the beans, but no, it's happening. Things are happening. Big things are coming. I will see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Have a good night, guys. Later.